guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Letitia. I am a therapist in the state of Missouri, and I love cleaning, organizing, and all things that have to do with my home and your mental health. Hence the title, Clean House, Clean Mind. My job is to just help motivate you to stay organized, stay motivated, keep your home clean, and all things that have to do with that. So, if this is something you're interested in, there's a couple of things you can do. The first thing is hit that subscribe button. The second thing you can do is like this video and then enjoy. As you can tell, I am cleaning in my kitchen. This is where I usually start to do anything in my home. I start in my kitchen. I put dishes away. I put new dishes into the dishwasher. I clean my island. I wipe my stove. I wipe my fridge. All things start for me in the kitchen. So you're going to just be watching me kind of put things away and clean things so that way my kitchen can be super clean. So right now, all I'm doing is just getting some dishes put away and into the dishwasher and finishing up the rest of the tasks that are in my kitchen.
Feel it in the air, that real. Feel it in the field, feel it in the air, that's real. Feel it in the field, feel it in these fields. You got the chill, drop this. Now I'm Gucci, trust me. We eating good over here. Eating good, eating, drop this. Now I'm Gucci, trust me. We eating good over here. Eating good, eating.
What room in your home do you usually start with when you are cleaning up your house? Like I mentioned before, starting in my kitchen usually really gets me going to kind of keep moving forward. I feel like cleaning my kitchen is instantaneous results, and I usually need something pretty quick and instantaneous to keep me going in reference to just cleaning the rest of my home. I have a pretty open concept kitchen, so being able to start with my kitchen and see that it is done, it kind of helps flow things into the other spaces. So what room do you start with? that you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button so that I can show you more content. As my creative juices continue to flow, there will be more content and more motivation and more therapeutic chats. Talk to you soon. Bye.